Hello everyone, today we are going to understand subquery in SQL. A subquery simply means a query inside another query. It is used to return data that will be used by the main query as a condition to filter results. Think of it like asking one question to answer a bigger question.
Now let's see some important rules. A subquery must always be written inside parentheses. It should select only one column. If a subquery returns multiple rows, we must use operators like in. Order by is not allowed inside most subqueries unless used properly in advanced cases. The between operator can be used inside a subquery to filter records within a specific range. These are the basic rules beginners should remember.
A simple subquery runs first. It gives a result. Then the main query uses that result. It works independently. It does not depend on the outer query. A simple subquery runs first. It gives a result. Then the main query uses that result. It works independently. It does not depend on the outer query. Think of it as get value first, then compare. A correlated subquery is evaluated row by row by referring to values from the outer query. In this example, the subquery calculates the average salary for each department, and the outer query selects employees whose salary is higher than their department's average salary. Here is the example of a simple subquery. First, it calculates the average salary. Then it shows employees earning more than that average. The subquery runs only once, one average for the whole company. Here is the correlated subquery example. For each employee, it calculates the average salary of their department. Then it compares that employee salary with their department average. This runs for each row, different average for each department. We use subqueries when we need data from another query to compare. We want filtered results based on calculated values like average or maximum. We need data from another table. Or we want cleaner and logical SQL queries. Use simple subquery when you need one value first, then compare. For example, compare salary with overall average. Use correlated subquery when comparison depends on each row. For example, compare salary with department average. Subquery means a query inside another query to filter data smarter. Simple subquery runs once. Correlated subquery runs for each row. Understand this difference clearly, and subqueries will become very easy.